Hi folks, welcome to my channel. This is an introduction video for a new series of CMS development videos. Now the full form of CMS is Content Management System. There are many popular CMS systems available in market like WordPress, Wix, WooCommerce, Shopify, etc. As a professional full stack developer, I have noticed that big corporates and many startups have the requirement to manage their website through different CMS platforms along with other third-party softwares. But due to lack of budget, most of them don't hire any expert or CMS developer. At last, SEO teams or other non-CMS developers have to do these tasks who are not expert in this field. As a result, they are stuck at every step and not able to manage their website properly. Currently, I have spent over 6 years in CMS development and I'm looking into this problem. I've decided to start a new series to help you with complete step-by-step development process. If you like this initiative, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.